Wow, that's amazing. I could live my whole life. Oh, sorry. I was just reminiscing about money. You know, that wonderful thing, cash. It just feels so great. You have it in hand, you whack it on the counter, you pay somebody, you know, they think, wow, this is a big rich man walking around town. The truth is that money is a poor master. It makes a poor master. If you spend your life chasing money and you've achieved nothing else, then you've wasted your life. If you spend your life chasing money and you've achieved nothing else, then you've wasted your life. I'm telling you guys now, this is going to offend a lot of people, and I ain't going to apologize. Normally, if you know me, I'm going to apologize the moment I offend somebody, but I'm not going to apologize. The reason why? Because if you're following money your whole life, you have missed out on a huge chunk of what life is about. You know, life is about being good, showing kindness, worshipping your maker. You know, it's about so much, but it's not about chasing money and being some money greedy git. You know, so many people in this life, in the dunya, chase money. You know what money is? Money is just part of the dunya. That means that all you're chasing is something that's in the now, or something that's in the life. But in the akhirah, after you've died, this money that you've been chasing so much, this money that you based your whole life off on, it ain't gonna stand up for you. It's not gonna say, look, this guy, he spent his life getting me. You know, those millions of dollars, they're not gonna stand up and say, well, this guy was great because he had millions of dollars, us millions of dollars, we worship him. You know, no, the money doesn't care about you. If you lost all the money in one day, right? The money doesn't care about you. You know those people who are so nice and kind and give you a smiling look when you had all the money? They don't care about you. The moment you don't have money and people don't care about you is the moment you realize that the true people, the truest people in your life don't require money. You know, your friends and family, the true friends, the friends who would die for you. There's maybe a few people in your life who would die for you. You know, you have siblings, you have parents, they are the truest bonded to you. And do they ask you for any money? No. What if they do? Whatever, it's not my place to judge. But the point is that money doesn't serve you. You know, you're serving it. If you're chasing money your life, you become the servant of money. And the truth of the matter is, if you're serving money, you're in a sad state of affairs. So I'm telling you, brothers and sisters now in Islam, do not make the core of your life money. All it just leads to is misery. I'm giving you advance notice, you know, when it happens, because I can guarantee it happens. It happens in every circumstance where you make the core of your life money, right? There will be a point in your life when you realize that everybody who loves you doesn't really love you, they just love your money. And that everybody who truly loved you at some point, you pushed away because of your obsession to money, because of your obsession to fill this void in your heart. I'm telling you, brothers and sisters now, that void in your heart needs to be filled with love. It needs to be filled with love for your fellow man. It needs to be filled with love for your maker, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I'm telling you, brothers and sisters, fill that void in your heart, not with money, which will be an endless pit that only goes to serve Iblis, that only goes to serve the devil. The devil is the one laughing at you when you're filling your heart with money, when you're filling your heart with lust and greed and wanting power. This is just going to serve the devil. The devil is laughing. He's got his finger out, he's pointing at you, and he's all like, ha ha, ha ha, ha ha ha, look what I got this idiot to do. So I'm telling you now, brothers and sisters, come to goodness. Do not serve this. This is not the goodness. Worshipping your maker is the goodness. Being good to your fellow human being is the goodness. So come to goodness, come.
Allahu Akbar, Allah.